Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make dog food, homemade dog food. And this is a wet type of food for a dog that really doesn't like to eat regular kind of food. And it's pretty easy. So the ingredients you will need are liverwurst, butter, instant seasoning cubes, beef, bouillon, broth cubes, original syrup, pancake syrup, natural sea salt, cornstarch, and 1 egg. Mine is freshly laid egg from a chicken. I guess you can use any other egg. Okay, so first what you're going to do, come on, Jack. You want to be in my video? Come on. Come here, Jack. Come and say hi. This is my dog. Say hi, Jack. Yeah. Anyway, he just ate this yummy food and he loved it so much. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get a skillet and you're going to mix up one of your cubes, as on the directions is a cup of boiling water, and make it be, let it dissolve. Then you're going to get a tablespoon of butter, put it in the broth in the skillet, and let the butter melt. And then you're going to, I forgot another ingredient is my dry dog food. I'm going to go get that. I'll be right back. It's like, what are you doing with my dog food? Okay, so this is the other ingredient. Complete Nutrition, 100% balanced nutrition. Protein to support growth, muscles, dry dog food. And this is just Acme brand, which is great because you can use this for your dry food too. Okay. So after you have your little mixture of the liquid broth and butter, you're going to put a cup of that into your skillet and let that soften. Put it down to medium heat and just keep stirring for 5 minutes or so, and then stir in your egg. And after you stir in your egg and that softens up, you're going to put in a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of syrup. And the salt is just going to help bring all the ingredients together. And then just keep stirring a little bit until it looks like a soft formed mixture. Then you're going to sprinkle in your cornstarch just to thicken it up a little bit. Turn off your burner, and keep mixing it around until it looks like, sort of like a dog food consistency, right? It's going to kind of look like that. Actually smells really good. And after that, you're going to get your liverwurst. This it's kind of just going to be like worked in. It's not really going to be cooked into it. So you're going to get your 3 tablespoons of liverwurst and just work it in there, work it all around, and then put it in your mason jar. If you want to make a whole lot of this, then you need more jars. But I usually will make 2 servings, so I will give him 1, and then I'll put the rest in here. See, it almost fills this jar for the next day, and he loves it. And that's it. Come here, Jack. I don't know if he'll eat any right now because he just ate some, but let me see if he'll eat any. Come on, Jack. You want some food? Because he's going to make a liar of me now, right? Come here, Jack. Come on. Come on, you want to do a trick? Come here. It's like mushy, sort of. But it's not hard, and it's not that yucky mushy kind of food you get from a canned dog food. Come here, Jack. Come on, show everybody how much you like the food. He's not gonna eat it. I swear he loves it. But he already ate. And that's another good thing. So he's completely full. He doesn't want any more food. But when I made this for him, so I just made this morning, and I put it in his bowl. And of course, let it cool down. And he ate every drop. But he hates canned wet food. So, all right. If you have any questions, comment. Please subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.